everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, please subscribe and tap that bell for more videos. Hey everyone, thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate you so much being on my channel. So today I wanted to do a little reminder for my upcoming collab, and I also have just a tiny little craft haul. So if you didn't see my previous video, I am doing a open invite collab called My Favorite Fall Recipe. So it's anyone can join, any YouTuber. If you do, cooking, crafts, whatever, if you want to join, go ahead. My Favorite Fall Recipe, basically just sharing your favorite recipe. Even if you aren't a good cook, if you want to just show like your favorite dish or something, that's fine as well. However you want to interpret it. So we're going to upload Friday, October 16th at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I'm going to post all this below. So make sure when you post your video, please let me know so I can add your video to the playlist link. I'm going to have a playlist for everybody, and we're going to share the link in my video. If you're participating in the collab, if you could please add the playlist link to your video as well after everyone's is posted, so we can all share each other's videos, help each other grow a little bit as channels. The hashtag is favorite fall recipe 2020. Please add my link below, and I will add everybody's below in my video as well as the playlist link. So like I said, just whatever your favorite fall recipe is. If you aren't a good cook, if you just want to show one of your favorite foods, that's fine as well. I'm so excited to have everyone join. I already have a few people who said they want to join. Let me know below, or you do post, so I know to be looking for a video from you, and I can add it to the link and we can all share. So if you saw my last video, I did a video where I just shared basically some photos from our recent trip to Hocking Hills, Ohio. There's Hocking Hills State Park, and they have lots of trails and caves, and we got a cabin out there, and they also have like a lot of like cute little stores. It's a small town. It's a small town, but it's a tourist town because a lot of people go there for the state park. So they had like a big craft mall, an antique mall, and different little stores. So I just want to show you quickly a couple things that I got. So this one actually was in the antique mall, which I think like my parents used to have these when I was a kid, but it's like a little ghost with a pumpkin on top, and they have the holes so you can put like a candle in the back. You have a hole back here, so the candle will show through those holes, show the light. If we didn't have this, I feel like we had something very similar, but this was only $3 at the antique mall. I thought it was really cute. So in the craft mall, I thought this was really pretty. I guess this could be like a Christmas ornament or just to hang somewhere around the house. This is something I would probably use year round, maybe not just for the Christmas tree. Just see if you can see up close like how pretty that is. It's like a kind of like a branch, a woven branch star, and then it's got like little berries, red and blue and white, I think gold berries, and then this like I think it's like a dark blue star in the middle. So these little twines sticking off. I think it's really cute. I think this was about like $4.50. I feel like everything there was pretty reasonably priced. And I also got this little snowman. He's super fuzzy. He's got this little fuzzy part of his hat, and he's got a little hat that sticks up. His little eyes and nose, little rosy cheeks, and he has like a heavy bottom so he can just like sit on the shelf. I think he was just a couple dollars as well. So that's everything I got. Like I said, please let me know about the collab. If you are planning to do it, let me know below if you want to do that, if you have not already. Like, comment, and subscribe if you like this content. Have a great day. Take care. Bye.